Okay, we're going to remove accounts. We're also going to add accounts. Some of your typical stuff that you do as an administrator of any system. So we're going to take a look at Bozo's home folder. Permission denied. Yep, somebody forgets to put in sudo. There we go. So who is the owner of most of the stuff in our friend Bozo's folder? Well, Bozo and Bozo. The directory is owned by root because root's in charge of the system. So that makes sense. Yeah. So let's delete Bozo. He left our employment. We have no use for him anymore. I mean, he's not with us anymore, but of course we're going to have to do sudo. And let's see if his stuff is still there. Uh-oh. Well, we're going to have to get rid of that folder at some point, but notice that all this 1001 business means that Bozo's account does not exist. Well, now that we've gotten rid of Bozo, let's make sure we remove his directory. Sudo rm -r. -r means recursive. And I've already removed it, which is why it says it can't remove it. So you'd say yes to remove it. And then I added Bozette. There she is. And now we need to set a password for Bozette. Bozoette, I guess. There we go. Password is updated. Let's take a look at her properties. /etc/PASSWD. And there she is. Okay. And we'll take a look at Shadow. There she has her big long thingy for her password. And if we look at her folder, ls-la/home/BOZOETTE, look at there. Bozette owns most of those folders and things underneath. root owns the root folder. root owns the Bozoette folder because root created it. All right, well, we're ready to move on to 10-9 to work with groups.